So, someone convinced you to become their stockist. Sabi nila, mabilis ang ROI. You invested. You stored products. You even get a physical office. Pinaggastusan mo pa yan. Renovations, events, and gatherings just to pitch your products to people who are not even interested.
Oh no!
Then, reality hit. Your office, tuloy-tuloy ang renta kahit walang benta. Your staff, kota ka man o wala, ay sasahuran mo pa rin. And yung mga stocks mo, halos ma-expire na lang sa storage.
No, God, please, no!
And now, you are forced to sell your products at bargain prices just to get something, kahit barya, back from your big investment. And now, where is the person who convinced you to invest? Missing in action. Wala na at halos hindi na makontak.
Oh no!
Why? It is simply because nakuha na nila ang komisyon nila and they are done with you. You feel scammed, you feel left alone, you feel desperate habang tinitignan yung mga produkto mong malapit nang ma-expire. Whether ikaw mismo to o di kaya naman kakilala mong naging biktima ng ganitong sistema. And guess what? You are not alone. Thousands of distributors and MLM investors go through the same thing. And it's not your fault. But before we go deep into this, let us talk about the top reasons why this keeps happening. Number 1, your recruiter didn't plan to help you grow. They just simply wanted a commission from your investment. Number 2, no one really understands the business. Walang game plan kasi walang nakaintindi ng laro in the first place. Number 3, the company sees its operations. Nagsarado or posibleng pinasara at naiwan ka sa ere. And number 4, you were left to figure things out on your own. Walang sistema, wala ring suporta. In short, bahala ka sa buhay mo. At alam ko ang ganyang pakiramdam because I have been in your shoes before. I made people invest and I failed them. I also became an investor myself at nalugi. And that is why I invested time and resources just to learn a better way. A smarter, automated, and proven system. Now, we're doing things in a totally different way. With MLM Connect and Diva Secret International, you can finally run your business 24/7 kahit natutulog ka. No need for physical office. Wala na ring office staff overhead na binabayaran. Say goodbye to expired products. No more bargain benta just to survive. This time, you will get everything you need. A plug-and-play system, AI-powered and automated marketing. A done-for-you content, the step-by-step business blueprint, plus the VIP support and mentorship. And this is not just another sales pitch. This is a system we have tested, refined, and proven. And to give you the best start possible, we're giving you a free, all-expense paid trip to Dubai. And the reason why? Because we believe in celebrating your new beginning. This trip isn't just a reward. It is a reset to clear your mind, gain new visions, and come back ready to win. Kung na-burned out ka na before sa mga old school na MLM tactics, now is your chance to bounce back. Stop guessing, stop doing it alone, and start building a business with a system that really works for you. No tech skills needed, hindi rin required na may malawak ang karanasan sa sales. Just real tools, real training, at totoong resulta lamang. Apply to become one of our next stockies. This is a limited time opportunity. This will only last until June 15, 2025. And if you don't see any result in 60 days, we will give your money back. Yes, that is how confident we are. This might be your next chance. Don't let it pass. Hello, my name is Jonard Solis, the founder of MLM Connect. And we are here to help you every step of the way in your MLM journey. So if you are interested to become our partner or a Diva Secret International product stockist, just click the button below or the link in the description of this video to learn more about this amazing opportunity. And that's it for this video, and I'll see you inside.